Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Portia.
Hey, you been waiting on me the whole time?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I had to get my goddamn get right. Oh, okay. Your intro.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Portia.
It's me, the boyfriend.
What's your name, nigga?
Trey, man. They know my name.
And yeah, so this is our last video for
2020.
2020. It's literally like 11 o'clock at night. It's gonna be 2021 over here.
New blessings, new everything.
New money.
All that.
Maybe a new baby.
So pray all
a new ring.
All the subscribers, y'all. Goddamn.
A new dress.
We hope y'all have a good 2021 and better than 2020.
We done made it through 2020 and we're gonna make it through 2021. Period. All right, let's eat.
Yeah, I'm trying to goddamn hold on to goddamn grab it.
We gotta find something to talk about too. And I got me some sauce.
I mean,
yeah, we had shrimp, but I smelled everything, and they had smell. They didn't smell right. It didn't smell right. It did not smell right. So I made Trey smell it too, and he said, "Yeah, I wasn't tripping." Usually he'd be like, "Yeah, you tripping," but we going out of town, not far, so don't judge us. I'm like, man, I ain't trying to get there and be shitting and stuff.
Yeah. Maybe we should did the thing out of town. Like you gonna do one out of town.
Oh, never mind.
Video?
Yeah.
These motherfuckers right here gonna be tripping.
I guess so. You could tell already. They were so good the last time we got up from there.
Yeah. These motherfuckers right here.
Really funny. We need to call Mama, because she calling me. She didn't know I'm doing a video, so she don't think I'm ignoring her.
My phone got that. Alright. Yeah, so what the conversation gonna be?
What's
I don't really eat. That shit.
She calling because it's New Year's Day.
Oh, damn, it is 12 o'clock. In Georgia and shit.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so what's your, call her real quick.
I ain't got no more.
You don't got my mama number? It's in there, but it's unsaved. I'm gonna tell her. I'm gonna tell.
I just ain't put it in. I just ain't save it in the new phone.
I'm gonna let that be yours. Happy New Year's, Mom. It ain't a New Year for us yet, but
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year's, y'all. Yeah, he don't got an iPhone. I'm making a video. That's why I didn't pick up.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we you know what? It ain't New Year's for Portia anymore. It's 11:06.
Thank you.
It's in Atlanta, be New Year.
Thanks, y'all. Y'all have a good New Year. I'm gonna call you back in a minute, okay? All right, love you. But yeah. So, what is the
Sorry, I don't understand.
what was the best part about 2020 for you?
Best part. 2020.
It's been a fucked up year, but we had some good stuff.
Yeah. Okay. I think it's gonna be the best part for me.
Yeah, I think that was the best part for you too.
Yeah. I think that's the best thing. My 2020. I'm trying to find what else happened this year. Yeah, that's the best thing for me, 2020. All 2020. So what about you? What's your?
I got monetized. Well, I had a lot of good stuff happen to me this year.
Okay.
I got promoted at my job.
Yeah.
That was like, because I just knew I wasn't going to get promoted at that damn job. That, YouTube, getting monetized finally on YouTube. That was good. What else? Finding another source of income.
Yeah.
That was good. So now it's 3 instead of 1. So that was good. There's some other good stuff too, but it just ain't coming to mind right now.
So what do you think is the biggest lesson you learned in 2020?
To be humble. Because life don't always go the way you think it's supposed to go. Because let me tell you, last year we supposed to be taking all kinds of trips and shit this year.
Yeah, I thought we were going to do more trips.
And Corona said, yeet.
Yeah.
So I think that was being humble. Well, I'm always humble, but it's just like being humble and being appreciative of what I already got. You know?
Yeah.
Which I'm always like that, but you know, it's just different when you see everybody lose this shit. But we made it through without losing our shit, so gotta be super grateful.
Right.
And it's a blessing because we didn't get sick yet. It's hot, it's spicy.
No, it was just
Wrong pipe.
too many goddamn my fault. Too much shit in my throat.
I know the feeling. What's your what?
I think the biggest lesson I learned, goddamn, is just stay consistent at what you're doing.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah, just as long as you put in hard work and you just grind, work, you grind and you pray. I feel like shit gonna get better, or ain't got no other choice but to get better.
Mm-hmm.
You know, goddamn, sometimes you lose patience, but just stay consistent with it, whatever you're doing. And I think you'll be in a good spot in the long run.
What's your goals for 2021?
Goals for 2021. I don't know, I just really just want to be a better man.
What do you mean, like all around?
Yeah, like better being a man, better like boyfriend, better, just like a better man, just like better than everything.
Oh, not to cut you off. But for those of you who don't know, Trey has a business. It's called Trey's A1. He does painting and cleaning and a little bit of everything. He could really do a little bit of everything, but that's his main focus with his business. He started his business this year, 2020. So it's fairly new, but 2021 is up.
Yeah.
And that's on period. Because I don't want to work no more. So the more money we make,
The more, yeah.
faster I quit. You know?
Definitely. My phone's struggling with it.
And that's what he told me. He said he make a certain amount of money every month. I can quit my job. Remember?
Yeah, you ain't gotta do nothing.
Mm-hmm. He said I don't gotta remember. So
when that motherfucker jump, they gonna jump this. Well, I say, if not this year, next year. But I'm planning for this year though.
we gonna speak it into existence. What happened?
Yeah, it's gonna happen. So,
Should take time though, but
like I said, as long as you work hard and you stay consistent at whatever the fuck you do,
we'll be alright.
ain't got no other choice but to do something. Do something. Am I eating your crab leg too?
You were trying to take my phone. That's why I set that bitch up like that. What was the last question? goal for next year?
Yeah, goals. What's your goals?
To save, to have $30,000 in my savings account or more. This where the fuck the meat at?
That's what I'm saying. But
And
this
to-
motherfucker tripping.
And to grow as a family, to be consistent,
Shit.
baby.
I'm sorry. I'm not on China.
To be consistent and to find a balance. That's really my main goal. The money shit is cool, like, but if I don't get that, I wouldn't care. But really, consistency and balance, because
Yeah.
you know, I want us to make all this money. I want us to do all these things and be successful on both ends, yours and mine and ours. But all this shit take time, patience, effort, all of that shit. So I really want to learn how to balance. Because I feel like 2020, I did accomplish things, but I was lazy.
Yeah.
Just being real. Like, I feel like I wasn't pushing myself as much as I needed to push myself.
Yeah.
I don't like the way this feels.
What the fuck is? Why it look like that?
I don't know.
I don't know.
See, shit like that scary. That bitch must be pregnant. But yeah, I feel like I didn't push myself as much as I could have. So that's something I hope I can be better at this year.
Yeah.
Like, just push myself. Because one thing about it, when I'm broke and I ain't got no money, I promise you, I'm moving. But when I get comfortable, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's like, I feel like I ain't got to move no more. So.
As long as you I understand what you're saying, and I get that with your goal. I feel like,
Consistency
you know,
and balance.
sometimes stuff don't go at the same like pace as like, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes it be slower than you think it's gonna be.
Yeah, which is cool.
You just gotta, you know, damn, I lost my whole train of thought. I'm sorry, I'm trying to get that goddamn.
No, but I know what you was saying. Like, I know what you was about to say. Like, shit not gonna move high.
Yeah,
How you expect it to move.
As long as you taking steps to what you wanna, you know what I'm saying, know what you wanna
That's how I feel about it. I feel like, cause I know shit gonna take time. I don't care about it taking time. I care about me putting in the effort to get the reward that I want.
Yes,
You get what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
I feel like I need to do better with
just going a little harder.
Yeah, I feel like that's something that I need to work on. The only way I'm gonna reap the benefits that I'm expecting, get the shit that I want, is if I work for it and stay consistent with it.
Yeah.
That's the only way. The only way. You tried the sausage yet?
Yeah, I've been eating that sausage.
It's good. Do it taste like my sausage?
I mean, it's good to me. You don't like all them other sausage. Sausage is sausage to me.
It don't look like a Roger Wood.
Motherfucker hit my teeth too. Okay.
This is the closest sausage to a Roger Wood I ever tasted. It's close. Oh yeah, this shit close. Oh God. But yeah. That's my main thing.
Yeah, my goddamn teeth.
It's just getting on my shit and holding myself accountable
Wow.
for my goals.
Yeah, I just keep your head on, just stick to whatever you're doing.
This shit's spicy.
Yeah, but what you're doing. Stick to it. It's easier said than done.
She gonna hand to when she twerk. I'm supposed to be drunk.
Oh, we got tomorrow.
Oh, you wanna get drunk?
You get drunk. I ain't getting drunk tonight. At night. We'll do it tomorrow. We got the weekend to get drunk.
It's New Year's Eve.
can't do it tonight. I'll hype you up, though. I'll be a hype
I'm
man.
full. We gotta finish the seafood because you know they say you're not supposed to eat seafood on New Year.
I ain't never heard that.
I googled it today. You fix me a drink.
That blue.
Them bitches always having a party. Do y'all hear them? And let me not talk to y'all too much. I was talking to the camera the other day. Trey said, who you talking to? Trey said, who you talking to?
I get used to it.
What else we gotta talk about?
No. Ooh.
I want an OnlyFans.
Because they don't care. Like you want them to know your face.
I said I want an OnlyFans.
Oh.
I didn't say I was getting one. Now I gotta delete it out because you gotta fucking you talk too much.
You the one that say you got one of OnlyFans.
I said I want one. And you said
I said, well, you said like,
I didn't say I got one. I
see,
don't have an OnlyFans.
See, if you in there brought it up, I wouldn't even, that thought wouldn't even been in my head. See?
Can you get some napkins? This shit is cringy as fuck.
What that? Oh.
I feel high. Is this what high feel like?
I don't know.
I ain't been around the weed. I just feel greedy. Something spicy.
Oh. Definitely.
Something's fucking spicy. I do miss my shrimp.
Definitely could have had some.
Hmm?
Definitely could have had some.
Now look at you.
I'm sorry. I didn't need to.
You like eat the rest?
Yeah, for that motherfucker to get goddamn cold.
You want to put it in your butter?
Yeah.
If you put it in your butter, you can just heat it all up.
Yeah. I'm sorry I'm not sitting down though. I got a goddamn. I'm trying to get right over, but this
Yeah,
shit,
okay.
this shit ain't working.
Well, y'all, look at my damn,
What that is on your chest?
no, my damn, what's on my chest? My scars. I got some fitted braids. Shout out to my girl Ashley. Feeling
Be
real.
good. Maybe look at my what I did. Put it on you.
That's just shit on my leg. But yeah, got me feeling like Pocahontas in this bitch.
Girl, looking good. Been it.
Bitch, I don't think I ever brought the New Year's on my head then.
No. I'm pretty sure you did with your mama. You saying with your mama or something like that?
I don't like getting my hair done.
I'm just saying like with your mama though.
Probably. You know what I mean? Probably not.
You feel like this your first time getting done on your own, like as far as man, ain't that motherfucker. You crack that motherfucker? Or just nothing ain't in that motherfucker? Motherfucker empty. That motherfucker ain't cracked. That motherfucker empty.
You think you got fucking vision or something?
I cracked that one though.
Then why just pull all the meat out? I got some here, I think. Well, y'all, I got sleepy just that thing. That's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.
Yeah, right.
Oh, another goal of mine is for me and Trey to start our couples channel.
That right. Coming soon.
But he not he worse than me with consistency. So
Yeah.
which,
So it's just hard for me to goddamn.
but yeah. But if y'all look up Portia and Trey, that's our YouTube name. I've been made this shit like a year ago, but we still haven't done it. But we're gonna do it.
Like I said, it's gonna be a better 2021 better me. Sometimes better everything I do. Everything. So
Or get his fucking head knocked off. Look at me, I'm cool. But yeah, damn, I don't even want to touch my scarf. I hate touching my head after I touch seafood and shit because I feel like it make your head stink. Okay. Too late. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to come on by.
you're right.
And we out.
Pull up on her.
Oh shit, wait.